Let me tell y'all why I go so hard every single day. I think of life as if everything is going to go wrong. And here's what I mean by that. Along this journey in my life towards my final destination, there's going to be so many periods and points in my life where my goals are going to ask so much of me. I'm talking where doing enough isn't enough. Doing the bare minimum will just be unacceptable. You have to go above and beyond. 100% will not be enough. You need to give 120. Hell, 120 might not even be enough. You need to go 200. And I want to be prepared for that every single day. So that's why I train in the gym so hard. That's why I really practice, my mentality and making sure it's sharp and making sure that I'm in control of the things that I can control. I'm making sure that I'm in control of how my soul is feeling. And if I need to cleanse, I can cleanse it. I'm making sure I do all these things every single day, even when I don't feel like it, because there's going to be a circumstance or situation that happens along this journey. And I don't want to feel like I'm in unfamiliar territory. A lot of people have fear and anxiety because they didn't prepare, because they didn't do the early work, because they didn't sharpen their tools when they had the chance. So now it comes time for the opportunity, you miss it. It comes time for the test, you fail. It comes time for this, that, and the third, and you don't execute the mission because you didn't plan for the mission. You didn't prepare yourself for that mind, body, and soul. So I'm telling you guys this, that situations are happening to you right now and circumstances are facing you right now to prepare you for the future. So when you face a similar situation or a similar circumstance, you don't fear and you don't have anxiety. You're ready to rock and roll because you're like, hey, I've done this before. I've been here. This isn't unfamiliar to me. I can do this. I can survive this. I know it's hard to overlook the pain when it's happening to you in the moment, but the pain won't last forever. And the pain is preparing you for your future. Because along this journey towards our final destination, we literally have to be prepared for anything. There's so many things that can happen. Wouldn't you want to be ready for anything? Get to that mindset where it doesn't matter if things go up and it doesn't matter if things go down. You're always going to be prepared. And although I may not know everything in the world, I know one thing's for sure and two things is for certain. Preparing as if everything is going to go left, preparing as if life is going to throw you every single curveball in the book is better than not preparing at all, thinking life is going to be this easy road, and then you get hit with every single curveball in the book, and you get hit with every single situation and every single circumstance. You're going to feel flooded. You're going to feel like you're suffocating because you know deep down that you had an opportunity to prepare, but you chose not to because you thought life was going to be this way. Life hits you right in your face over and over and over again. And that's why you feel like you want to quit and you feel like you want to stop. And anxiety is at your highest. And don't misconstrue what I'm saying. Anxiety are real things. Fear, those are both real things. But I feel we can eliminate both of those things just by preparing for situations and preparing for circumstances. So I want y'all to think about that. Your journey is counting on you, and it's going to ask you to go above and beyond. My question to you is, are you willing to go above and beyond? Are you willing to go all out, pedal to the metal, all gas, no brakes, so that your goals and your dreams can survive? I guess there's only one way to find out.